Hi dear friend, welcome back to my channel Tech Bidda. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how we can see our internet speed on our Android phone. So let's get start the video. First of all, open your Chrome browser and type here in search bar speedtest.net. Then go to this address. After open this website, here click on continue on the web. Then click on three dots from the top right corner. From here scroll down and enable desktop site. Now click on go. Now your internet speed testing will be start. Wait until complete the speed testing. Here you can see my download speed is 3.86 Mbps and upload speed is 8.13 Mbps. So friend, that's the way how you can check your internet speed. If you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also like, comment, share. Thanks for watching this video.